Why do we hiccup? Have you ever been in a quiet room and suddenly, hic? It catches you off guard, but why do hiccups even happen? Hiccups are caused by sudden, involuntary contractions of your diaphragm, the muscle that helps you breathe. These contractions force air to move rapidly through your vocal cords, creating that funny sound we all know. Some scientists believe hiccups are an evolutionary leftover from amphibians who had to gulp air and water. Others think it's your body burping or resetting itself after overeating or drinking fizzy drinks. Curious about more everyday mysteries? Hit like, share, and follow for more fun science explained simply.